Hi guys, this is Damien. So welcome in 2026. First bash, wet as hell and damp, but guys are going crazy already. Look at this, check this out. Beautiful hybrid. What's inside? What's the engine? 46 GT. It's gonna be going crazy, this one. Looks light, huh?
A little bit. It does well. It does well.
It does well.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you're gonna send it now?
In 2 minutes.
In 2 minutes. Okay. We're not gonna go far from him. Okay. Look at this one.
71.
71. It looks so good, all right? And look inside. I told him already that it looks too clean. but he wants to send it. It was on the shelf for a long time, and finally, well, you have to touch the ground once a while, right? Yes.
Check this out.
What is it? Oh, you have the 360. All right.
That's screwed in. That's not going anywhere.
All right.
And then
Wait, it's not gonna fall over.
Unless I flip it, it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, well, but if you're gonna flip it, it's not gonna be good for the what is it? The
X5.
X5, yeah. Well, just drive slow.
No, I don't want to drive.
You don't want to drive slow. Well, it depends how good driver he is, right?
Great driver.
He's a great driver. Well, I will keep my thumbs, squeezed for him. That if he's gonna flip, we're gonna have it. We're gonna put it on the channel. Let's go see the other cars. And then I see one over here that really interests me. Look at this! Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful! What is it here? Kev, what's inside? Ooh?
The Fuji kit.
Oh, the Fuji kit. Yeah, the Fuji engine 39. All right, very good. Oh, that's the red arrow 34, if I remember. Really good looking car. Wow. This one, let's see the Outlaw. Outlaw hybrid. Yeah, well, it's the same thing. A Sonic Tim. Well, it's okay. It's because the engine is cold. It does it sometimes. Well, I can't wait to see that Lossy. What is it, Lossy?
Yeah, 5T.
Oh, Lossy 50. Yes.
I'm excited for that one.
I already saw those things on people driving on the streets with like GTRs or Lamborghinis. They have those things at the back. I never saw it at the front.
It's not at the back because it's so dirty. It's just gonna come back and just make the camera really dirty. You won't really see anything.
All right.
Let me try the front.
Yeah.
I was gonna make them out for the rear, but I didn't get around to doing it.
Well, it's a good idea. Well, we will see if it's gonna work in practice, but it might work. If something, I will ask him for the footage, and we will put it on the channel. We're gonna show you the footage how it looks like. But for now, let's see the hybrid. That thing has some serious power. Bro, it's barely touching the ground. This thing is floating from the ground. It's just barely touching with the spikes the ground. Look. Oh my days. This is ridiculous. Bro. Bro, that is sick. But Oh my days. Holy 46. Holy moly. Is it 46, Taylor? Oh my day, 46. Can you imagine 46? Bro, this engine is bonkers. Oh my days. He's going crazy. This guy. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, beautiful! Holy moly! Who's this guy? Hey, bud! It's too clean, brother. It will get done today. Look at this. Oh, wow, very nice. I like. Guys, this is Morel Santiago. Go on Facebook and give him a sub. Show him some love, all right? Yeah. If you like cars, you like crushes, you love engines, this is the way to go, you know?
That's it.
What happened? Oh my days. Wait, that's with the engine? Oh no. Oh, right, with the engine. Bro, this is ridiculous. Bro, you need a new head.
Oh well.
Yeah, new head.
Yeah,
I got a 32 to stack in it. That's that 29 I built.
yeah.
That was going well.
Wow. I never saw it happen.
Still warm.
Wow.
I think I got a bit aggressive with the Dremel. If you look inside the port.
Yeah. Oh my! I never saw it happen. Now he need a new head. Oh my God! Oh there, he have a new engine. Yeah. Always bring a spare engine to the Baja. Remember, guys, always bring a spare engine to the Baja.
Always. And everything else.
And everything else. Oh. Well, you didn't flip, so that's good. How you doing? Ah! Yes, Alex. Don't go over there because you're gonna flip. Bro! That is sick! Go on, son! What happened? I didn't catch that. Yeah, we call the 71 Performante gearbox killer. Definitely.
Definitely.
Matt and I, we're saying goodbye for today. It was a lovely, lovely, lovely day.
It's been amazing.
Yep, there was so many people turned up.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Exactly, exactly. If not, we're gonna take the foot and we're gonna put it between the cheeks.
Yeah, like last time.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, guys, that's it from us. So thank you very much.